Today on the workbench we have this Yamaha CD-30. I really like the look of this CD player. I kind of like these old vintage minimalistic type of I can already see that this should be fine and work pretty well. I got this for like $8 at a thrift store. No remote. Looks like it has a preamp built in as well. That's always a good. Most of all the CD players that sound really good have a preamp. And basically it turns on everything, but the tray doesn't open because the ribbon broke. But also there's another, so let's look at that. This is it. And then look at the old ribbon. Look how dirty it is. I have to get some more cleaning. Oh yeah, basically just clean this all up. Look at that. And then put the new ribbons. So like I said, this has two ribbons. I'm gonna clean this guy here as well. It goes on here. But basically there's two ribbons. One is for this, which opens the tray. There's a second ribbon here, and that moves the laser up and down. And then there's another motor, but it doesn't have a ribbon that rotates the CD. So these are the ones that I bought specifically for this unit online. So we'll be replacing it once I clean it, take my time, and we'll give this thing a go. This is the DAC chip right here. This is a memory chip, RAM. This is some kind of a Yamaha, some kind of an audio processor, but I don't really know what this does. This chip here. And beyond that, I don't plan to. Everything looks clean. As I think it's a good CD player. It just needs those ribbons replaced. Hopefully, that's it. This ribbon has been replaced. I cleaned it all up. Now it's this guy here. Pretty easy to put a new one in, but you guys can see like it literally just fell apart and then turned to this goo. So you gotta clean all this out, and also you need to allow this to dry before you put the new one in, because the alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, will react with the new ribbons. So you have to make sure this is all dry. So anyway, I'm kind of doing this one hand to show you guys. Obviously, when I'm not recording with my other hand, I wouldn't be. So yeah, it's dirty. And hopefully that's all really is wrong with it. You can even see the old ribbon right here. See? The old ribbon is definitely in there. Well, no wonder this didn't work. So most people will just throw this away or give it to the thrift store, like in my case. They could have spent $10 on ribbons and opened it up and cleaned it, but I guess they didn't want to. So I'm gonna do it. All right, so this is the last one to replace, and then we'll assemble everything and give it a test go. When I work on these things, highly recommend as you take everything apart, that you put everything in a bag so you don't lose it. And then put the bag inside the unit. You can label it if you want, but as long as you don't have kids at home that are moving your things, they shouldn't walk away. All right, so let me finish this guy. Okay, so now let's go over what I've done. Look at all this dirty crap. I put a new one in here. This opens up the tray. This feeds this, whatever that's called, okay. I'm gonna open it so you guys can see it works. Okay, then there's another one here. With this moves the laser, move up and down as it's, reading the disc, as it's playing it. So let's see if I put a headphone in here. Let's turn down the TV, below could keep up. And then let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. Hey, check this out. Check this out. And that's pretty much all this unit needed. I wish that they made these somehow differently so they didn't use the ribbons because they're a pain in the butt. But as you guys can see, the unit works fine. I'm gonna hook it up to my stereo here in a few minutes and see how it sounds. Cheers.